Welcome to Wh&t TV at the right place, so let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell. Bless everyone, greetings my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens and onliners. Big up on yourself. Yeah man. Happy New Year again once more, you know what I mean? 2023, we say life, more life and blessings. Life are the greatest. Cherish each moment, you know, overdo it over here. Say, you see me, my viewers and subscribers? Yeah man, big up on the damn self-guidance and protection. Live clean, live right, live pure, live true. See? Yes man, walk away from trouble if you can. Now my viewers and subscribers, I don't know, thank you all for your continued support. I don't know, without the line and put is nothing, the channel is nothing. See? I always try to keep you guys informed and entertained. Yeah man, so I will leave a love and blessings. Yes. Coming up in this vlog here, I don't know, my channel gets strike by Mr. Vegas TV, but I love Mr. Straight. Big up Mr. Vegas. Yeah man, clean out above all things. You see me? Yeah man, conscience free, nothing. So I say no cobweb up, nothing. See? Yeah man. And also this lady here, I can't know if I shy she name or whatever. Popcaan X. We see that going on a circulate where she's ranting and exposing a lot of things. I'm gonna give my views on it, you know what I mean? So I don't know. Lion is a very opinionative person, see? Yeah, and I love and respect we say same way, even though we speak with mind more time and try to resolve the situation. See? But at the end of the day, I'm able to speak, you know what I mean, and able to open to criticism also. See? So big up on yourself. But before we get into that, my viewers and subscribers, I want to know, please check out my new single titled Even Give Me Bun. Even Give Me Bun. See? It will release the 15th of this month, January. So I'm going to look a snippet, alright? Yeah.
Me feel so ashamed that for one long period of me walking in the lane. The 2 hard days we should have listened to the wheel and long time my mom said the girl can't tell.
Yeah man, song titled Even Give Me Bun. These are more like a Popcaan style when I hear it, you know. Big up Popcaan, I don't know, a veteran who I look up to as well. Likewise the one Vegas. Seeing, but yeah man, but I don't know, yeah man, check it out. It's released the 15th of January. Zine, yes, my viewers and subscribers. So moving on now, we'll kick off the show. Radio my channel gets strike, you see me? Yeah, as you can see on the screen. Yeah, my channel was strike by Mr. Vegas TV on the 29th of December in 2022. And the video was, you know, when Popcaan had come out and disrespected Sharon Burke and Shaggy. And, you know, I did give my opinion on it. And even Mr. Vegas did spoke on the matter. And trust me, I was very impressed on how he spoke, you know what I mean? How he supported Popcaan and, you know, the morality and everything. And you see it, so I use a little piece of the video if I'm live and put up, you know what I mean? Yeah, and so it was gathering it was gathering a lot of traction and thing. And as you know, my channel, more time we get the views and more time we don't, even though I not do this for no views or for no money, you know what I mean? As myself help push the music career and also for uplift people and, you know, motivate and help others, you know what I mean, other artists like myself who I try and review song and everything, sports, everything. So we did use piece of the video, Mr. Vegas video, and I noticed about 2 weeks after or so, yeah, the 29, you see, me see say the channel gets strike and the video taken down, you know, so yeah. Me just say, Mr. Vegas, big up yourself, man. I will love a clean out above all things. I don't know if him do it directly or him in control of him channel, but I feel in channel, you see me? Take it down and strike my channel, so. Yeah, man, I still have life, I still there, try same way. You know what I mean? I know Lion Foot is a clean out, you know, I'm not against nobody. You know what I mean? Even though me and Mr. Vegas, it have a local difference. Even though him first try style me by putting up my video, my picture on Facebook. I never did know people tell me, say, them see my picture. Vegas put up my picture, try style me as a brand, me as a pedo. You see me? All because, you know, through bounty kill and as me say, I never did that disrespect this man. I just say that speak on a fairly basis. You know what I mean? And no matter what, we still have respect utmost respect for Mr. Vegas, cause as me say, him is an artist who did it, and you know what I mean. Yeah, it's my it's and them thing there. And you see me, I clean out above all, man. So Mr. Vegas, big up yourself. Big up yourself, man. I see me, I love Mr. Same way. Lion foot now, nothing against you. Nothing same way. Seeing if you have me up, big up yourself same way. Me not have you up in my heart, brother. I love Mr. Same way. And if me see you up on the street, I meet you anytime. Me approach you and shake you and big you up, brother. I clean out above all, me say. Is it my viewers and subscribers? Yeah, man. So big up on yourself. 2023. Yeah, man. I will love same way continuously. Nothing not change. You see me, so? Yeah. Channel got strike, but me still have life. You see me? And it's not the first people that strike my channel and I report my channel. Poor little young YouTubers. So all of the YouTubers them out there, make this be an highlight now, open the phone up. Be careful how you know use people video after them when them put up, you know what I mean? Because me notice enough of them I talk about anybody will use them video and whatever, them and strike them. You see me? So you know, be careful. You see me? Because enough of them I do this for money, because nothing go on for them musically or otherwise. You see me? So me not use YouTube for the money. You see me? Me have my job and me have source of other incomes coming in legally. You see me? I'm a football coach, I'm a personal trainer, I'm a referee. You get me? Yes. Likewise, I have my 9 to 5. You see me? Yes. You see me? For viewers and subscribers. So, yeah, man, big up on yourself, same way. See, Mr. Vegas, big up yourself once more, man. Guidance and protection. I wish you all the best with the 2023. You see me? Yes. So, moving on to my viewers and subscribers, this lady, me can't pronounce it for Shine or what she want to name, but yeah, Popcaan X, them say. You know what I mean? She came out and do a little ranting and expose some things about the Popcaan, you see me? And me understand where she come from. Me understand her pain because she said 7 years. She known him for 7 years and them got intimate less than 15 times. See? So me don't know why she want to know if it's because she had enough and you know, Popcaan up here, no Mariana through the Estonian sing and bass scene, but she leak voice note and all of them things. Me not like them things there, you see me? That sound like bitterness. You know what I mean? I don't know, I can't tell nobody what to do still. You see me? I fear feelings which I go through but me personally like that, you know. I think that as belittling. I find that as belittling, you know, because why now you come out and I do that? 7 years. I want to have SEX less than 15 times. You know, must know, say, the man is an entertainer. The man have whole heap of woman and whole heap of groupie. I'm not saying she's a groupie, you know. The man have whole heap of woman, you know, whole heap of lifestyle, yeah, rich lifestyle, yeah, told the world, everybody, why a woman want to sleep with, a woman want to set you up, for free, you know, sue you and them things there, if you get money out of you. So, as an entertainer, as a celebrity, as a matter of fact, you have to be careful, especially the male zine. So, me find this as bitterness and me not support her upon that. Why you leak all of the man voice note, the man them sitting down, them sitting there. You just know, if you move on, you move on. Seem like how you say, enough time him call you for link up and you no go. You just hold your own. You know what I mean? And you could just hold it out and just know, say, I saw him stay. You know what I mean? And you move on. Try better your life. Try find someone better. But when you go leak picture, leak voice note and attack, degrading stuff. You know what I mean? We go on a bedroom, I don't know. Two of us know one another. We go on a bedroom and, you know what I mean? And you say you have sex tape and this and that and, you know, man a fight, man ban him brother and him a do the thing secretly. The matching brother was exposed eating the buff. You know, she attack indecisively and I give hint like she said Popcaan I do it secretly and yet still a banning brother and this and that and him a par around more people. Everybody did say that because we said American, you know the American culture. Drake and all of them. Me did say that also and I want to vlog them, but me not support what she do. Me not support that. And that's just my opinion. You see me? Yes. I find that as belittling grudgeful, spiteful, and I try bring down the youth. You know what I mean? I bring down the man, you see me, the young man, you know, after several years, 7 years, and I know she want to leak all of them voice note. And I think it's just jealousy and insecurity because Popcaan is so much upfront with Tony and Sink now, and she maybe never did I get them exposure there, them attention there, you see me? You see it, I'm not try style her anyway, you know. It's just I'm just looking at life and say I saw it go. So maybe she just take a good long decision, or maybe some people boots her up, her friend them to come out and do it, you know, because why wait so long to come and do something like this? You know what I mean? And maybe she had a hard thought about it and she decided, you know what? Shall go do it. You get me? Without the shame or the bashing and them things there. So viewers and subscribers, that's just my view. Let me know what you think. Yeah man, big up the Empress same way, you know. Shyla or Shy, I can't pronounce her name, but Popcaan X. Yeah, Shyla or how you want to pronounce it. It's me, big up yourself, see me, and just move on and stay for yourself. Saying, big up the strong black woman them. A lion foot I'm out, not another word out of my mouth.
Thanks for watching Lionfoot TV.